back to my channel, and I'm looking at you guys through my mirror. I got this box from Influenster like last week. It's about some hair products and stuff. Yeah, I got the Dazzle Voxbox from Influenster, which was free to me. Influenster, you just sign up, do some surveys, and if you are selected, like they'll send out they'll send out box requests or surveys to see if you test for a box, and I did for this one. I'm about to work on his head. So it came with the color in here, which is Fuchsia Plum, and I want to try that today. This item that I'm excited about is this Claro Professional Eye Thrive. It's a keratin rescue split in repair with panthenol. I don't even know what that is, but was designed by stylists as the finishing step for dry and damaged hair to help leave the hair smooth and frizz-free. Instructions are massage into damp hair and comb through. Do not rinse, style as usual. So that's this product here. So there was some lotion in here. And kind of got some nice Gold Bond Ultimate Hydrating Cream Radiance Renewal Cream Oil. Yep, nice lotion. I will try this later. But I do like that the items that were mentioned are high up on the list. But we'll just see how it works because I have nothing to do, so I have some time to kill. So this is my hair. I just took my braids out. I've been wearing a wig. I'm just gonna lightly detangle my hair, and then I'm gonna put this color in it, and we're gonna see how this turns out. Okay, we're gonna see what happens. So come on, Jazzing by Claro. Okay, so this is my hair pretty much detangled. I had to keep reading the bottle to make sure what the instructions are. Like some things say, you put it on dry hair, but this one you have to wash your hair first. So I'm just gonna really focus on my roots. Yep, focusing on my roots mostly. That's what you're supposed to do with the shampoo anyway. Focus on your roots, and whatever like drips down from the shampoo is like, cleansing your hair. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash. This doesn't work out, we'll just go dark, okay? My hair is now towel dried. Hopefully not too towel dried. I have this brown towel because this is a towel that I use when I dye stuff. I do like the salons do, get the little clip right there. Yep, okay. So I have a bowl and a little thing here because I'm trying to decide, will it be better if I dump it into the bowl and do it that way? Should I mix this with conditioner? Dang, my towel coming all undone. Okay guys, so put my gloves on, but I probably should section this hair out first. Let me see. Okay, this isn't gonna work. Maybe I should just go change shampoo. Oh my gosh. Okay, for real this time. Okay. I feel like I should wet my hair more. Oh no. It says process with heat, and this time I actually have my hooded dryer, so it's gonna work out. can put my little gloves on. How is this gonna go? Let's see. We're gonna start with the brush and see how this works. I don't think this is gonna work. I dropped it on the floor. Oh my gosh. Okay. Whoa, this is really pink. Like, are y'all seeing this? This isn't. Mike's gonna be like, what did you do to your hair? I feel like it's gonna be orange. I think it's gonna be orange. I keep looking here. I brought my little dimming brush too. Somebody asked me where I got this thing from. I bought it from a beauty supply store for $2 so, or $2.99, something like that. So this is still the first section, and for some reason I don't feel like it's coating properly. Like, I still feel like I see my actual hair texture, but maybe I'm tripping. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more to it, you know. So this was section number 1. Okay guys, so one side has been completed, so I feel like the color is going to turn out a really plummy color if it takes it all, because my hair be tripping. But I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my head. See you guys when I'm done. Okay, here's the final results.
Oh wait, I can't see.
Okay, it's color in it, but it's not what I wanted.
What did you want? I see the color. No, Tommie, it's not bad. It's cute. It kind of reminds me of your blonde, but it looks kind of orangey.
I said that. That's the first thing I said. This is gonna come out orange. This looks like after time. Like, it's barely a difference. Like, maybe my hair just don't take more color no more. Like, my hair be like, girl, bye, you need something deep. I really tried this time though.
But you have dyed your hair a couple of colors before.
I know, but those were permanent. These are semi-permanent colors. The only thing is that it will stain my scalp.
Damn.
I wonder, I still have some left. You think I should try it again? But I'm tired, man.
That's if you want to.
This is not what I was going for. Like, my whole day ruined.
Don't say it like that. It's not ruined.
My whole day
really
ruined.
cute, though.
How?
It makes orange. Tommie, it's okay.
It's not.
You're gonna be fine. You are fine.
What am I gonna do now?
You're gonna win your hair.
My hair feels good though.
Hey guys, welcome back. So this is what the color actually turned out to look like. It isn't okay. I know I made it seem really bad in like that clip, in the last clip, but I really do enjoy the hair color. I figured out that when I actually was rinsing out my hair, I rinsed it with warm water, and I went online and did some research, and like with semi-permanent dyes and stuff, you're really supposed to rinse it with cool water, like cold water, until it runs clear shampoo, but definitely not with warm water, because warm water opens your cuticles or something and it takes the color out, versus cool water closes the cuticles, so it kind of locks the color in. And I didn't know that. Since I did my little puff and like did the twist out on it, I think the color payoff is really nice, but I am gonna go, I still have like lots of dye left. I ended up pouring the dye that was in the bowl back into the container. And yeah, surprisingly, I didn't get it everywhere, so yay. So I did that, and it turned out, so I have lots of dye left. So I also have that coupon for another bottle of dye. It grew on me, like it really did grow on me. After I had styled my hair, it looked a lot better. So versus before, it was just like my hair was just all over the place. But with my hair up in actual style, I like the color. So this is my little, I guess, overall review. After I did the hair color, I did put in this split in little serum cream in my hair afterwards before I styled it. So I just rubbed that in my hair. It smells pretty nice, and I enjoyed that as well. I mean, it wasn't too big of a deal. Like, I didn't spend too much time on it. I just put it in my hair. And also, it did not affect like the rest of my styling products. So I put like Eco Styler gel, my cream of nature, Butterlicious curls pudding, and some oil, and I mixed all those products together. So the previous product did not, you know, cause like the products to like clump up on each other. So that was good. So everything worked fine together. The lotion, I really do like the lotion. Like, after I got out the shower, it's a really thick lotion, and I like that it smells really natural. It smells like cocoa butter, shea butter, just mixed a bunch of like butters and stuff together, and I really do enjoy the lotion. I put it on like every time I get out the shower, especially on like the places where I have stretch marks. It just makes it makes my skin feel really nice and like just moisturized, like that good thick heavy buttery moisturizer. That's what it feels like. So I really enjoyed this box. If I had to pick a favorite, I think my favorite would be the lotion, and my second would be the hair color. I mean, it did color my hair. So I saw several reviews where people had really dark hair. My hair was colored previously to like a caramel color, and yeah, so it color shows up really well. It's just that, I don't know. I just want it to be more like a vibrant color. I feel like it looks kind of washed out, but it's okay. I'll be tripping sometime. But yeah, so that's my Influenster review on the box. I guess my little hair transformation. My hair needed something different too. Like, I was getting tired of the little caramel color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also, subscribers, if you aren't a part of Influenster, you really should sign up. Again, Influenster is completely free. You don't have to pay anything to join Influenster. I'll leave a little link below, or my link, something like that. But honestly, you just sign up and you do surveys, you write reviews, and you get boxes. And the boxes come with like full-size products, samples, food, coupons. Like, it's amazing. And the coupons are for free stuff. Okay, all right. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.